Hi everyone, I'm about to do my makeup and I'm excited, so stay tuned for the final look. I've got a red top on at the moment. I've heard red suits me and it's one of my good colours, so yeah, I'll show you my fit. I'm not going nowhere, but now to tie this bit here because it kind of broke, so yeah. This is my fit. So yeah, I'm about to get ready. See you soon. Hi everyone. So I think this is quarantine day 6, and I'm not going anywhere. But you know when you just have to like make do with what's going on, guys. As I said, don't stay down. Do something with your life. You know, you can practice a makeup tutorial or something. You know, don't be bored, guys. Listen, we're gonna get through this, okay? Told you already, but I'm feeling myself, so you know, I just had to do a little video on that. Happiness is to you.